Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y squared. So we have 1 over y. First derivative of y over y squared. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 1 over y squared and first derivative of y. Because we don't have the negative side, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for v. This one we change for negative first derivative of v. Next, we divide both sides by negative s. So we have v and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. And we can see that negative 1 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. And we have negative f and s. The integration of 1 over s, that is about f and s. And I will put the negative go inside about natural law in here. And we have s to the power of negative number 1. And we have 1 over s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v over s. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put about c. about v, that is about 1 over y. So I will put y go to the right, this one go to the left. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 2, y equals to 1 over 254. So we need to put y go in here, number 2 go in here to find the value of c. So we divide by number 2 for the both sides. This one we have negative 30. And we have the value of c. So I will put this one go to the left. So I will put this one go on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.